where precision is paramount, Boomerang AI emerges as the epitome of strategic mastery. Boomerang AI, fortified by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, redefines the essence of professional trading. Real-time market insights. Boomerang AI delivers with unrivaled accuracy, decoding trends effortlessly. It's a hallmark of Boomerang AI's analytical prowess. Collateral-free flash loans, a strategic advantage for swift and impactful capital utilization. Boomerang AI doesn't just guide, it propels your trades with a calculated precision that defines success. Every move is a testament to the strategic brilliance ingrained in its algorithms. Boomerang AI positions you at the forefront of the market, allowing you to navigate with confidence, capitalize on opportunities, and maximize gains. Boomerang AI is your strategic ally and your partner in achieving unparalleled success in the ever-evolving world of finance.
Boomerang AI, powered by advanced AI, reshapes trading efficiency and profitability. Leveraging real-time market analysis, rapid decision-making, and AI-driven risk management, it identifies nuanced market patterns often missed by humans. With instant insights from real-time analysis, Boomerang AI ensures timely decisions, capturing profitable opportunities swiftly. Its swift decision-making guarantees you never miss out on potential trades. Revolutionizing capital efficiency, Boomerang AI introduces collateral-free flash loans, providing seamless access to funds. This game-changing feature enhances financial agility for executing transactions effortlessly. AI-powered arbitrage optimizes trades by exploiting price differences across markets, adding sophistication to your strategy and potentially boosting profitability. In dynamic markets, Boomerang AI excels in continuous adaptation, ensuring your strategies stay effective and relevant, providing a lasting competitive edge. Data-driven insights are central, enriching your trading experience by informing decisions with a comprehensive understanding of market trends and opportunities.
How does Boomerang AI help you to make profitable trades? Boomerang AI is a powerful tool that utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to improve trading efficiency and identify profitable opportunities in financial markets. By leveraging real-time market analysis, swift decision-making, and AI-powered risk management, Boomerang aims to capitalize on subtle patterns, trends, and pricing inefficiencies that may go unnoticed by human traders. Additionally, Boomerang specializes in AI-powered arbitrage, allowing it to exploit price differences across different markets or exchanges and capitalize on temporary market inefficiencies before they normalize. One key feature of Boomerang is its utilization of flash loans, which enable traders to borrow funds without collateral, thereby increasing capital efficiency in executing transactions. This innovative approach, combined with continuous adaptation to changing market conditions and data-driven insights, sets Boomerang AI as a potentially lucrative solution in the decentralized finance landscape. Boomerang AI's unique features, such as real-time market analysis, swift decision-making, and flash loans without collateral, contribute to its ability to identify and execute profitable trades. The integration of AI algorithms for risk management and data-driven insights further enhances its potential in the financial markets. By combining these capabilities, Boomerang AI offers a comprehensive solution for traders looking to leverage advanced artificial intelligence for profitable trading. In the fast-paced world of decentralized finance, DeFi, a game-changer has emerged: flash loans. These financial wonders are reshaping lending in DeFi, allowing users unprecedented access to funds without the usual collateral or credit score hurdles. Leading this financial revolution is Aave, a platform that has not only pioneered but perfected the art of flash loans. Traditional lending demanded collateral and scrutinized credit scores, creating barriers. Flash loans break free from these norms, enabling users to borrow assets without staking collateral, opening doors for individuals with diverse financial backgrounds, enabling users to borrow assets. Aave stands at the forefront of this revolution, introducing flash loans to redefine user interactions in the DeFi ecosystem. Their commitment to innovation and inclusivity positions them as leaders, guiding others in this rapidly evolving space. Flash loans disrupt traditional lending by eliminating the upfront need for collateral, ushering in an era of efficient and accessible lending practices. Aave's vision is clear: democratize financial access, leveling the playing field for everyone, regardless of financial standing. This isn't just theory. Aave's flash loans are in action, executed swiftly within the same transaction block, streamlining the lending process. Aave's commitment to user-centric financial solutions sets the standard for DeFi platforms globally, emphasizing security, efficiency, and inclusivity. As flash loans gain prominence, the DeFi landscape evolves. Aave's impact inspires other platforms to explore new possibilities in decentralized finance. Aave's flash loans signify not just a technological leap but also the promise of financial inclusion, contributing to a more accessible and equitable financial future. In conclusion, Aave's flash loans represent a revolutionary concept in decentralized finance, challenging traditional norms and setting the stage for a more inclusive financial future. As we navigate the expanding DeFi landscape, Aave leads the charge towards financial freedom. The era of flash loans is here, and Aave is leading the charge toward financial freedom.
Yun. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no? Okay, so just to let you know, live po tayo sa Facebook. So if you wanted to share our live link, I'm going to share it sa ating chat box. So FB Live, if you wanted to share. Okay, here we go. This is our live FB page. Okay, dun sa mga hindi pa yan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po, no? Welcome, Glory, yes, Sir Paul, Sir Marcelino, Sir Podge, Speedfire, Pastor Don, Ma'am Elda, Ma'am Grace, Ma'am Mary Grace, hello po. Sir Herman, Sir John, okay, welcome po, no? Saka po yung mga live, mga viewer natin sa Facebook, hello everyone. If you have any comments, okay, please write down wherever you are. Hello, Kuya Chris. Okay, so wherever you are, write it down so that I will be able to acknowledge you where you're from. Okay, thank you so much for being here. Amazing. Okay, so I would like to thank every one of you for your patience because of the little delay that I have right now. But of course, yeah, I was trying to catch up with the one on the Facebook. Okay, so, okay, I think it's time for us to start again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to do this again in English just because of our FB viewers so that our we can accommodate our FB viewers. So thank you so much for that. And then, of course, at the end of the presentation, I will be able to, we're going to have our question and answer, but of course, we can do it in our language. So if that would be okay to you. Stop. Okay, anyone? So let me. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Let me open my presentation. Okay, yeah, okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and let's start. Okay, so just to introduce myself, Okay, to those who also, especially on Facebook Live, every one of you probably knows me, or most of you. Okay, my name is Dennis Miras, and I am here in the UK, and I am working here as an IT engineer. I've been involved in this industry not quite long, probably 4 or 5 years. That I was been in this network marketing or affiliate marketing industry, that which makes me like I am a grown up person. It's really amazing that you are growing every day because of the personal development that's being given to you with this kind of opportunity. Yeah, so this is really an amazing one. So I would like to thank you all. Of course, I really appreciate your time, but of course I want you to ask you uh, to have an open mind while you are listening to this presentation, because it's really important that you have an open mind. If you are not an open-minded person, then at least make sure to get the information, write down the information, take a pen and paper, write down the information that you will be able to get, so that at least when you are trying to when you go back, when you seems like it's something interesting to you, and then you go back to your notes, and then you will see like, yeah, this is something. Is this for me, or is this not for me? Okay, I'm telling you, this is not for everyone. Okay, this is not going to be for everyone. But of course, I believe that this opportunity is a game changer. This will change everything, especially in the crypto space. So this is really, really amazing. That's why I'm really excited to share this to you, because of what I saw, because of the vision that uh, I I can imagine the vision of this, doing this, how much it would help us, the opportunity that it would give us to become a financially stable, or going to financially freedom. Because we all know we have been into so many projects. Remember, we have been in so many projects that we have encountered, like they promised us heaven and earth. They promised us like huge amount of money, and then at the end of the day, probably in a couple of weeks, few months, and then they are gone, and they also got our hard-earned money. And this is something really unique. This is something unique that I'm really excited to share to you. So let me share you my screen so that you'll be able to see how unique it is, how beautiful it is. So yeah, until now, yeah, to be honest with you, I'm still and still in, like, in the daydream. Like, is this really too good to be true? Is this true? Is this really happening? But yeah, it is. And it is about to happen in the next few days, and then we will be able to start what we are really waiting for. So okay, so let me start. So let us start by sharing my screen. Okay. So you can confirm, please, that if you can see my screen now. Anyone?
Yes, bro.
Thank you so much for that. And I'm not sure why. Give me a second. It doesn't go full screen. I'm not sure. Okay. Thank you for confirming. Okay, let me put you away. And then let me put you away in here so that I can see everything. Okay. So the one of the company that I am really excited to share to you is We Are All Satoshi. And We Are All Satoshi is really an amazing company. It is in collaboration with Boomerang, okay, a zero collateral AI arbitrage protocol. Okay, so I'm going to discuss also the affiliate marketing 2.0, which is really really excited to you to share that this is not this has been upgraded to affiliate marketing 3.0, because we have been now a licensed, okay, we have been recognized now as affiliate marketing 3.0 as a decentralized autonomous organization. Okay, so we are now in a decentralized system. Okay, if you will imagine how good to be in a decentralized system, probably you will be something, you will look like, oh, what is that, what is this, you know You just have to ask Google. You just have to ask the AI of Google, what does decentralized autonomous organizations means? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? And probably you will be surprised. And this is how beautiful the affiliate marketing 3.0 is now being given to us as a license. We are licensed in the US, in Wyoming. We have the certificates to prove that we are already upgraded this affiliate marketing to 2.0 to 3.0. You know, it's something really amazing. That's we are really in the right place. We are in the safe place that the company is doing their best to make the image of the affiliate marketing 2.0 to the good side. You know, we all know that affiliate marketing 2.0 has been given a bad image because of those bad intentions of bad people. Okay, sorry for the words, but yeah, it's I don't want to you know, say bad words, but it's something that, yeah, it's really true. You know, it's a fact that because of this bad intention of the people behind this those scams that are going on in the world right now, you know, affiliate marketing is being dragged down, being like it's being put down to the bottom. But now we are all Satoshi is trying to change that. So that is really amazing for us, that for us to know that that is something unique and new for us. So as an affiliate marketing 2.0, okay, in collaboration with Boomerang, we are also having a products. All our products are in a decentralized system also. What's it? Because we are dealing with cryptocurrencies. So every product that has been created, even ever since the blockchain is created, we all know that it's transparent. So our products are also been in the blockchain. So that is an amazing part where we all know that how transparent the transparency inside the blockchain is. Everything you can see, anyone can see. Of course, it cannot be manipulated or cannot be tampered. But the thing is, you can see every transaction. That means it will prove to you that anyone can justify, can see the transaction, that it happened, if it's already happened or not. You know, there's no red tape or no, what do you call this, bribery, because you cannot bribe the blockchain. Whatever happens in the transaction is in the transaction. And this and the products that we have is being brought to us by single man. This man that brings us to here, right? Where we are now is because of Chavez, our CEO. Okay, so Chavez is giving back the power to the community. What does this mean? Because this means that when he fall in love with the with affiliate marketing way back before, okay, he is a tech giant, he is a tech genius, he has been supplying AI. You know, remember AI from few companies, a few bigger companies in the world. So that is how he started, and then of course he comes across with affiliate marketing, and he really falls in love because of the community. There's a big community, like-minded community. You know, if you are in a place that you have been surrounded with the like-minded people, it's really amazing because there's no one something that's going to drag you down. They are always pushing you up. They are always supporting you. They are always holding your hands for you to be able to become successful. And that's why one of the reason that our CEO fall in love with the affiliate marketing. And that's why he is always giving back the power by providing the best products that we have, securing the liquidity, ensuring the sustainability through 140 years of mining journey. Now, this is amazing, right? 140 years. So that means we will be able to be here. I don't know if we'll be able to be here in the next 140 years, but imagine how long the journey is going to be. Why? Because of the first product, the flagship product that we have, that he personally created. He is the one who personally developed this amazing product that we have, which is the Code 20 miners that will mine Bitcoin code in the next 140 years. Isn't that amazing? Using this NFT utilities that we have, the GT1X, the GT10X, GT100X, with its respective price of $50, $500, and $5,000. Okay, he created a utility to mine Bitcoin code in the next 140 years we're in. You know, it's simply amazing in the 21st with the 21st century technology that you can create something like this. Where did he copy this? He copied the concept, the full concept, the whole 9 yards of the system of Bitcoin. Okay, this is not Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin code, but you will be given a chance. What you know on Bitcoin 15 years ago might be able to be the one that you can grab the chance to accumulate Bitcoin code and probably, you know, at least not defeat Bitcoin. No one probably can defeat Bitcoin, but the thing is at least level up or even be the second or be the third. At least you are following the footstep of Bitcoin. So this is really an amazing journey that we're going to start with us here. Imagine 140 years. Okay, so all of your grandchildren will be able to witness this. You will be able to give them the opportunity also to see the Bitcoin code as it grows. Okay, if you want to learn more information about the Bitcoin code, of course, I'm happy to share that the full information on a different presentation, because this is not the real reason why you are here, why you are listening here, why are you listening here in Facebook right now, because I know this is something, this is the second product that we have here. So, okay, so just send me a message, okay, put it in the chat box and I will give you the full presentation ahead of this. And how are you going to earn? How are you going to get or maximize the potential earning of Bitcoin code in the next 140 years? It's amazing, because yes, we have to discuss this amazing tool, this amazing product that is being introduced right now. This is our second product and it's called Boomerang. So Boomerang is a fascinating concept and it combines three elements only, which are the arbitrage trading, the artificial intelligence, which is the most popular technology right now. Okay, and of course, arbitrage has been existing for a while. Probably you didn't know, or you just know, but you didn't know that it's called arbitrage trading. And then, of course, the zero collateral plus loan, which I just heard it 4 months ago. Okay, I've been in the crypto space for a while, like 4 or 5 years ago. That I've been doing crypto. I've been dealing with crypto. I'm learning crypto, but zero collateral plus loan doesn't come across my mind. Not since last December. Okay, so this is really amazing, and I will discuss this to you one by one. So let's start with arbitrage. Okay, so what is arbitrage? So arbitrage involves exploiting price differences of the same asset in different markets or in different platforms. So for example, if an asset priced lower on one exchange and higher on another, the traders can buy the asset on cheaper platform and sell it to the more expensive one, profiting from the price differential. So arbitrage opportunities are often fleeting and it requires quick execution to capitalize the price gaps. So really, it's really basic, right? Arbitrage is just simply buying low, selling high. That's it. That's how it works. Is it legal? Well, you can find it yourself. AI can definitely give you an answer, or if arbitrage is legal. I know we all know that arbitrage trading is 1000% legal. Okay, now we are dealing with cryptocurrencies here in Boomerang. So we are going to do arbitrage with cryptocurrencies. So this is really an amazing way now for us to be able to get a chance to trade with the cryptocurrencies, which is a very, very, very high volatility of the market of cryptocurrencies. That's why it requires, you know, quick execution to be able to, for us to be able to capitalize the price gaps and get that profit for us. Okay, you don't need to be an expert like chart reading. You don't need to be an expert in the market. You don't need to do such things like take profit, stop loss or whatever. Okay, you don't need trainings. You don't need mentors for you to be able to trade here in Boomerang. The only you need to know is how to click a button. Okay, clicking buttons is just the way to be, and now you will become an expert with trading with Boomerang. Imagine all of that has been solved for you. Imagine that every trading that you're going to do is you don't need those kind of expertise. Okay, so that's something that's really amazing that Boomerang has given to us. Now, in arbitrage trading in cryptocurrencies, this requires huge capital. Imagine huge capital. Just look at that example in the on the screen. $46,000 per Bitcoin. Where in the hell? Sorry, the word. Where in the world are you going to get $46,000? Right, just to do the arbitrage for just a single Bitcoin. Now, that has been solved again with Boomerang. See how amazing it is. Okay, so imagine with the use of the artificial intelligence, everything has been solved for us, and now even the capital, or having a capital, or having the leverage of getting more capital has been solved for us using the DeFi flash loan. So what is a DeFi flash loan? So the flash loans are a relatively new form of uncollateralized loans. They are available to traders on some decentralized finance protocol based on the blockchain networks. So these types of loans allow traders to borrow unsecured loans from the lenders without the middleman. See, imagine that. You don't have to worry about getting the loan, like you need to have to show your title of your house and lot, the property that you have, the jewelries, you need to go to banks and credit institution for you to be able to borrow. Even a single signature, you don't need that. And here with Boomerang, you will be allowed to borrow hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, even up to millions and millions of dollars without a collateral, without even a single signature to prove that you are existing. You are a person or something that proves to you that you will be able to pay the loan. Okay, paying back the loan is another issue. Okay, because if you don't pay the loans, if you borrow hundreds of thousands of dollars and then you don't pay the loan, then might be, okay, I'm not sure if there are people in the world that has been jailed using the loan, but it's not good. It's not going to be good that you borrow money and then you will be able to pay it, right? So that is also being solved by Boomerang for us. So that's another benefits that, it's like something like you leverage others people's money, getting the profits, and then you are able to pay those loans without any hassle, without any worries. So how did Boomerang do that? Because of these simple rules that was created inside the blockchain. So what is it? This is, okay, when a flash loan has been issued to you, okay, let's say you have been issued like $100,000 or $2 million or $3 million, okay, there is a smart contract that rules and ensures that the borrower will pay back the loan before the transaction ends. If this condition isn't met, the smart contract will reverse the transaction. It's like the loan never happened in the first place. Okay, so this guarantees the safety of the funds in the reverse pool. So what does this mean? It's very basic. There is a smart contract. What is a smart contract? It's simply a program. It's a code, embedded inside the blockchain, that once it's inside the blockchain, it will just work what it's the program itself is needed to do. That's very basic. If it says pay the loan, then pay the loan before you get the profit, and then that's it. It will not do anything, and you cannot tamper it. You cannot manipulate it. Okay, you cannot reverse the code once it's inside the blockchain. That's how beautiful it is. And remember, if you are in the blockchain, then that means every transaction that we have are recorded and transparent. Okay, and then what? This is what's amazing. If and only if just even a single penny that you won't be able to pay the loan, this smart contract, hand in hand with the artificial intelligence, will be able to reverse that transaction, and it's like you never did a loan. It's like the transaction never happened. It's like the trading will never happen, because it should be paid first, the loan, before you get your profit. How amazing is that? In this regards, I'm seeing like that we are not be able to book any losing trade. We are going to be booking all profitable trades, because if there is a losing trade, that means you won't be able to pay back the loan. That means it's not going to happen because of the protection of the that's needed to be from the lender. Okay, so let's give you an example so that you'll understand it more clearly. Okay, so we have a lender. Okay, just to remind you, okay, that we are all Satoshi or Boomerang is not our lender. Okay, we have a lender called Abe. Okay, so Abe is our lender provider as of the moment. Okay, but of course we are going to add more lender providers like DYDX, Uniswap, and others. Okay, but this time just Abe. And okay, you will be able to only borrow asset. We're not going to borrow cash. Okay, so the concept of this is very simple. You are just like you just have been approved with a credit card. A credit card has a credit limit. Make sense? Okay, if you have a credit limit of, let's say, $100,000 on your credit card, that means you don't have access to that $100,000. You can buy anything you want with that $100,000, but you will not be able to access that cash. So this is the same here with Boomerang. Okay, with Aave, hand in hand with the smart contract and the artificial intelligence, you will be sanctioned with $100,000, but you don't have the access to that cash. You will be able to loan, okay, the asset that you want to do arbitrage with. So in this example, we are going to borrow or we are going to loan 10 Ethereum. That is worth almost $40,000. Okay, so imagine that you are borrowing like $40,000 every time. So how is it going to happen? Like when you buy when you're using the credit card, every amount that you bought, it will be deducted on your credit limit. So it's the same with the concept in here. Okay, every time you do a loan, okay, just like the 10 Ethereum, it will be deducted on the sanctioned amount that you have. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that's clear. So let's start this full arbitrage example that we have. So let's say hand in hand with the smart contract and the artificial intelligence, we borrowed 10 Ethereum. And then, of course, the smart contract and then, of course, the AI will work and find an asset for us. Okay, for us. We're not going to do this. The AI and the smart contract will do that for us. Find an asset. Let's say there's an asset in Exchange Ace that worth 10 Ethereum. And then eventually, AI, after buying that asset for 10 Ethereum, it will look for more exchangers. And then it will search for what? A overvalued asset of the asset that AI just bought on Exchange A. Now, it goes to Exchange B, find out that that asset was being sold for 11 Ethereum. And now, of course, AI will execute the arbitrage and get the sold the asset for 11 Ethereum. And then what? Now, this is the most important part. And this is the part that cannot be reversed or cannot be tampered or cannot be manipulated at all. Okay? We have to pay back the loan first, okay, which is the 10 Ethereum, including the lender's fee or the interest. We have to pay it back to Abe. That's the only rule. It will not do any other rule because it's inside the blockchain. Okay? Once it's paid, now this is the most beautiful part and this is the most unique. And this is what I really love. Okay? This is what I really love with Boomerang. So with Boomerang, you will be able to get your profit directly to your own MetaMask wallet. What is MetaMask wallet? This is a digital wallet or non-custodial wallet that you own. Okay? You are the only one who has access to it. You are the only one. No one. Okay? No one has ever have access to this wallet but you. So let's give you the same concept of this one. So it's basically like when you are working, okay, we have a job, okay, then the company, of course, will give us the salary that we have. Where did they will put our salary? Of course, in our bank. Okay, they will not give very rarely right now in this time of the day that they are giving out cash. Okay, I understand that, but of course, if we are going to do digital, of course, they will give us the salary on our bank. And then what is our bank? what are we going to do when we receive the salary, right? It will just make us cry, because it will just go out to our bank and it will just pass by. And then eventually in the next couple of days, they're all gone. Okay, that's how salary works. But here, of course, in Boomerang, of course, since we are going to get our profit directly to our wallet, that means we are in control of our profit. Remember, I mentioned to you earlier as the start of this presentation that we have been in so many projects. Those projects, what's happened? What happened to those projects? Those projects are like promising us everything. Okay, they will do the trading for us. They will give us the profits that we are expecting to, but of course, they will give it. They will give you the computation as you expected, but where will you get it? You will only just see it in your dashboard. It's just like a flower in the eye, an overwhelming numbers that like, yes, I am already rich because of that numbers that you're saying. But as long as it's not landed in your wallet, it's not yours. And they have control of it. You have to what? Click the withdraw button. Then you have to pay the fees. And then you have to wait. It doesn't matter how long, but you cannot do anything but have to wait. Pray. You have to pray. You have to hope that they will release it for you so that it will land to your wallet. Okay? So that is where the frustration goes when the website gets gone and then all our money is gone also. But in here with Boomerang, imagine every single arbitrage trading that we're going to do, every single cent that we're going to get the profit is going directly to our wallet, real time. This is the great word, real time. Okay, and imagine this transaction. This is just one single transaction. And this transaction, it is literally called flash loan because we are just borrowing this asset in a few seconds. Okay, few seconds alone, and then it will be paid, and then of course we get the profit. I'll show you a demonstration of that so that you'll be able to see how quick it is. But for now, I'll just give you a glimpse of how the Boomerang trading tool look like. Okay, so here it is. So Boomerang, this is how our trading tool looks like. This is the MVP version. Okay, right now we are still in the transition from beta version to MVP version. Okay, the transition hasn't done yet, but we're almost there, and we are excited. Especially me, I'm really excited. Okay, that it's almost there. So it's amazing. Okay, and then of course we have the market opportunities. These market opportunities was the amazing part where where the artificial intelligence is working with. Why? Because with Boomerang, the artificial intelligence embedded to it will work going to all the exchangers that are available in our system, and then it will only collect all those pairs that are profitable. All those pairs that have profits in it. So that means in reality, I mean, it makes sense at all. Why would you book a losing trade if AI is presenting you all the profitable trades? So in this regards, that's like what I said earlier, we are impossible to book a losing trade. Make sense? Yeah, I know. Because, yeah, you just have to select what profit percentage you wanted to have. And then, of course, then the arbitrage will happen for you, hand in hand with the smart contract and the AI. Everything is going to happen, and your profit goes directly to your wallet. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let me give you a demonstration. Okay, the demonstration will be was done in our beta version. Okay, but of course the concept is nothing that have changed. It's just the user interface, the way it looks, how sexy it is. It's just what's changed. But of course, the process, the transaction, and everything is almost the same. Okay, so let me just show you a video. Let me know if you don't hear the audio first. Please, very important to let me know so that I will be able to reshare my screen and put the video. Okay, so let me share you this one. Okay, so enjoy and watch the video, how quick it is to earn money here in Boomerang. Okay, how easy to have a click and earn system. Solid go.
Is refreshed. So you always make sure that your DApp is refreshed. Otherwise, click on the refresh button. In the meantime, you go to the market opportunities, and here you see all the market opportunities. Make sure you reset this also, that you have the latest newest one here. USDC, USDT, USDC. You see USDT, USDC. Let's try this one. If this is working, USDT, and then put in 1,000, and then we go to USDC, USDCE. Yeah. No, 9.5. Let's confirm. 0.95. Let's see if we can grab this and then see performance. Now it's buying the crypto with the flash loan, sending it from one exchange to the other. Transaction is completed. Website is refreshing. Let's see if we can do another one. And it was USDT. Let's put in 500. If we can do a 500 trade, submit, and we click here USDCE. Let's see if we can have another one in the same pair. You see 1.07. I say confirm, confirm. Waiting for the confirmation from MetaMask. Confirm. Now again, it's buying with the flash loan, the crypto on one exchange, send it to another exchange, selling it there, paying back the flash loan, and sending the profit. If it happens, you get a message. Or when it's not happening, yeah, transaction complete. So let's see if we can do another one. And you can see if you do smaller amounts, then it becomes bigger. Let's see if we can do another dollar. Yeah, $100. Submit, and this USDCE. Let's see if the pair is still the same, because if you have a winning pair, you can do it over and over. 1.17% with $100, and you can see if the amounts are a little bit smaller, the percentages are most of the time bigger. And let's see if we can do after this one another $1,000 trade. Yes, transaction complete. Website is going to refresh the DApp, and then we can do another trade. Let's do USDT again with the amount. Let's see if we can do another $1,000, and then submit, and we go back USDCE. Let's see if it's still available, and then we can do no. Now it's on minus. You see, and even when it's now minus, when I click confirm, it gives you not profitable trade. So it's protected all the way, and you can see here in the 68 trades we now made $481 in profit, and that's really, really good. So let's see, you can also go to the transaction history, and you can see in the transaction history I did $100 with 1.17, 1.95. Even this $1,000 trade, you can see, you can click here on the $1,000 trade. So with the flash loan I borrowed 1,000 in the USDT, and I made $9.54. So that's really good with the flash loan. The transaction fee, you can see, is like 0.05 cents, 5 dollar cents, and here you can see also the lending fee is also 0.05. So I borrowed 1,000 USDT and I paid back 1,000.5. So that's really good. It's a win-win-win situation. Yes, this is how you do it. Good luck. Ciao, ciao.
Now you see how amazing it is. You see how easy it is by clicking the buttons, and then you earn money. Imagine how quick that $9.54 has been earned. The $5.30 has been earned. The $1.17 had been earned. How quick it is. Did it finish for 2 minutes? Maybe 2 minutes. Okay, for 3 transactions, you earned almost $20 in less than 2 minutes. How amazing it is. Okay, and you see also how protected our capital is, or our loan it is. See, imagine there's a negative trades. We execute it. It's never executed because the loan will never be paid. So we are protected all the way. Okay. Imagine what are the risks are you going to ask for on that? There is almost no risk on it. That is amazing. Paying back the loan is so simple. You don't have to worry. It's been paid inside the blockchain. You will be able to see all the transaction in the blockchain. It has been paid, including the interest or the lender's fee that they are referring to it. So that's how beautiful, how good Boomerang it is. That's why it's really exciting. It's really something unique in the market. And every profit that has gone on that trade goes directly to the wallet, real time. Okay? It is all real time. Of course, now there's a big question for you that, okay, how are we going to have an access to the loan, or how are we going to get that credit limit or the sanctioned amount? To be honest, if you're going to be sanctioned like hundreds of thousands of dollars, how that's the big question, right? That's the big question. Am I qualified? How I do that? Of course, you have to ask yourself, you have to qualify yourself, because we only have one requirements to do that. And the only requirements that we need to do is what? We have to buy license. Okay, so we have to buy license. So we have few licenses available. Okay, that's the licenses. Okay, so $500 is the word of the license. That's the smallest amount of license that we have. But imagine, what would you get? Okay, before you react, what would you get? How much would you get when you buy a 500 license? So this is what you get: unlimited flash loan trading until 3x has been achieved. What does this mean? Okay, so when you buy a $500 license, the flash loan that will be given to you is unlimited until what? Until you reach your profit that goes directly to your wallet, $1,500. Okay, that's for the 500. That's what called 3x. You multiply your license amount 3 times. Then, of course, once you reach the profit, the unlimited flash loan stops. This is how amazing you're going to get just simply by buying the license in Boomerang. Okay, it doesn't matter now how much flash loan you wanted to spend with. As long as you get your profit, then that's it. And then of course, we also have the $3,000 profit with a $1,000 license. Of course, $3,000 license, you earn $9,000. And then, of course, $5,000 license, you earn $15,000. And that's not it. We still have one more, which is a whooping $30,000 just by buying the $10,000 license. Imagine how much money it is. Okay, definitely, if you're in the Philippines, you are already a millionaire if you got $30,000, right? Okay, so I have to discuss the affiliate marketing also, because I know, okay, every one of us here, every one of us here have the nature of sharing everything that we know of that is good. Okay, all good things that happens to us, all good things that we saw, all beautiful things that we saw, we are going to share it to any person, especially our loved ones. Like if you saw a movie, if you eat in a restaurant, even a fast food chain, if you go to a park, if you go to the other countries, everything has been is being shared to everyone without pay. Okay, now probably this is your questions. Now you will tell me, okay, Dennis, you tell me, okay, I can do the trading. Can I do the trading alone? Of course, you are not required to invite or to share this to anyone. It's not a mandatory requirements here in We Are All Satoshi that you have to invite or share this to anyone. And it's never a requirement for you to be able to earn here in We Are All Satoshi. Why? Remember that I showed you? Once you earned 1,500, 3,000, 9,000, or $15,000, it goes directly to your wallet. The person that invited you here, that share you this opportunity, won't even get a single penny or a single cent from the profit that you made. So if you wanted to do the trade alone, go hide in the bathroom, in your room, in the warehouse that you are all alone. That's okay. Okay, but the company is so generous that created a compensation plan that at least to be able to reward those people that are willing to share this wonderful opportunity, this amazing opportunity that we have with Boomerang or with the mining, okay, that every profit goes directly to your wallet, okay? So at least, you know, if you are, because if you are sharing, you should be rewarded. At least you should be rewarded. And this is what amazing it is, okay? So I'll touch this down a little bit. I'll make it as quick as possible. And then of course, before we end the presentation, I'm going to show you also an Excel sheet, no? Okay, an Excel computation, that what I call the number don't lie Excel sheet, that you will be able to see, or you will be able to get a guide on how fast are you going to make profit here with Boomerang, how fast are you going to get back the money that you put out, okay, or you invested, okay? We call that, some people call that investment, of course, because it's out of the pocket. Okay, so I'll show you that later. So stay put, stay tuned for a little bit. I'll just discuss this a little bit. So let's start with the compensation plan. So we have a binary system compensation plan. So very, very simple. Okay, for example, this is you. Once you buy a license with Boomerang, then you become a basic subscriber. What would you do? Okay, you will share it. You only need 2 people to share it. You don't need to have more if you don't want. Just 2 people, and that's it. The only thing you need to do is what? Teach them how to do what you did, just by inviting, of course, 2 people, and then that's it. And then you become a premium subscriber, and then you open more opportunities to earn. So what are those opportunities to earn? These are the ways to earn here with our affiliate compensation plan. Here we go. So introducer kickbacks. Subscribers can earn 5% rewards as introducer kickbacks for referring unlimited subscribers. Okay, so this is from the 3rd page subscription that you sponsored directly. Okay, Dennis, you told me that we need only 2 people. Of course, if you wanted to share it to more people, that's okay. But if you wanted to share it to only 2 people, that's also okay. So introducer kickbacks on repurchase. So 5% rewards are given to when all personally introduced subscriber repurchase. So what does this mean? Okay, this means that, remember, when you reach your profit, you have a ceiling of profit. That's the maximum profit that you'll be able to get. Once you get your profit on your wallet, are you happy with that? Are you not going to do any trading again at all? I don't think so, because you wanted to earn more. So if you wanted to earn more, you have to repurchase the license or repurchase miners. Okay, I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, so let's do the other one, other ways to earn, which is the check match bonus. Okay, I told you, one on the left, one on the right, and now you are qualified to receive check match bonus of 10%. Okay, remember, or take note of this, the check match bonus is limited on a daily basis to $300 until you rank up. Now we have a ranking system also. I'll speak to you that in a bit. This capping of check match bonus increases as you climb the ranks. So I'll give you the example on how are we going to earn. Very basic way to earn here in Boomerang. So let me share you in action. So this is you. Okay, so let's start with Ma'am Jinsil. Okay, so Jinsil, okay, bought a $500 license. And then once he bought the $500 license, okay, give me a second. I cannot see it. Let's put it in here. Okay. Now, once she bought the $500, then she become a basic subscriber or basic member. Then of course she shared it to Joel. Okay, so Joel now of course like Boomerang and then also buy a $500 license. Of course, as she wanted to share it to another person because that's the requirement that I said, okay, you can do that so that you can earn more. And then she goes to Juby, and then Juby bought $1,000 license because she is in Greece. Okay, I'm in Greece. I will buy $1,000 license. And then now Jinsel become a premium subscriber because of this. But she did not get 5% reward here, 5% reward here because it's the first 2% that she didn't get any 5%. It will be on the third person that she shared it with. It's like Kuya Chris. Okay, so Kuya Chris become the third person, then she gets the 5%. Okay, she got the 5% of 500, that is $25. And then of course we have the volume, the check match volume. What is the volume? We have a volume of 500 here on the left and another 500 on the left. That's $1,000 volume. And then of course Juby, because Juby bought a $1,000, that's another 1,000 on the right. That's a match. Then she gets the 10% check match of the $1,000. That means she earns $100 plus $25. That's $125 simply by repairing 3 people. And then of course what will happen when the word repurchase comes in? So that means every time these 3 people that Jinsel has repaired, she will get 5% of it, the license, or whatever amount of the license that these 3 people will buy. And then of course the check match bonus is an additional, whatever the volume that it will get, okay, she will get also the 10%. That's amazing extra income, right? Okay. So each time you subscribe to either a BTCC miner or a Boomerang licenses, okay, this investment get 3x. This is called potential earnings. So the potential earnings are our amount for all income and bonuses are 3x the amount of your subscription. Okay. So repurchase are available for all miners and Boomerang licenses. So how does it going to work? Simple. You buy $50 miner, you earn $150. You buy $500 miner, you get $1,500. And then of course, $5,000 miners, you will be able to potentially earn $15,000. The same also with our licenses. Okay. Why does we call this potential income? We call this potential income because we want to make sure that you are going to share. Oh, not making sure. Sorry about the word. Okay. We want you to share this opportunity because we don't know your goals. We don't know your plan. Okay. We are not here to tell you what to do. We are not here to push you on things that you don't want to do. Okay. We are here to support you. We are here to help you. Okay. If you don't want to share this opportunity, then you don't have the opportunity to earn this 3x potential. This is only for those people who are going to share this opportunity. So that's how are we going to earn this. This is 100% working because I believe, and it's not just I believe, I am the living proof that this is 100% working for us. Okay, if you have questions about this, we can speak that later in the question and answer. So let's go on the ranking system. So Ascension Club bonus is what we call on our ranking system. So how are we going to attain that? Okay, let's put that in the chart form so that at least you'll be able to understand better. So attain Shiba rank first. Okay, you only need $100,000 on the left, $100,000 on the right, and then of course you will get now. Instead of the $300, you will not get $360 check match daily. And then, of course, you will get Ascension Club reward of $1,000. Okay, what's $1,000 this? Whatever the name of your rank would be your Ascension Club rewards. So that would be $1,000 Shiba, $2,000 Tron, $3,000 Dodge, $4,000 Cardano, $5,000 Ripple, $10,000 Matic, $20,000 Polkadot, $30,000 Solana, $40,000 Binance, $100,000 Ethereum, and of course, $1 million of Bitcoin. Imagine if you are going to have this kind of crypto portfolio in the bull run. Okay, so try to put a goal. Okay, stick this on your goal board, stick this on the fridge, print this out, screenshot, put it as a screensaver on your laptop or on your cell phone, and then put a goal. When do you want to be on this rank in the next what? 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year? Because crypto portfolio that you have in this one is really amazing. Once Bitcoin goes to $150,000, every single each of this token definitely will be rise to the roof, and then you will get more potential profit in here. Then of course we also have the structure pool income. This is a monthly reward for each pool. Okay, so attain mega pool, just 1 million on the left, 1 million on the right. You will be eligible to receive a monthly share of 4% of the total company revenue. And then of course, if you have 5 million on the left, 5 million on the right, you will attain the giga pool, and then you will be eligible to receive a monthly share of 7% total company revenue. And then of course, if you attain Terrapool, you will receive 10% of total company revenue by having a volume of 10 million on the left, 10 million on the right, and then also you will get a free node. Free node is really amazing because you will get Bitcoin code every second, goes directly to your own MetaMask wallet, which is really an amazing way to get more Bitcoin code. Okay, this is worth $54,000, I believe. Okay, so if you want to learn more about the node, I can discuss to you in the other presentation. It's okay. So we have a terms and condition to follow. Okay, so a flash loan will be granted exclusively to whitelisted wallets and will have free $50 GT1X miner included. Okay, let me clarify this. This is really important for you to know and to understand. Why? Because right now we are only using MetaMask. Okay, we are only using MetaMask on the mining side. So if you're going to do the trading, please make sure to use MetaMask wallet. I'm not promoting MetaMask. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not going to be get paid even if I promote MetaMask, okay? It's just that the MetaMask wallet is the only wallet for now that is being used by our Bitcoin code. So eventually it will go to a lot of wallets, but right now, please use that for you to be able to get that free 50 GT1X miner. Okay, I hope that's clear. And then on MVP, users who obtain a Boomerang license will be able to utilize their flash loan. Then all new purchases or all new purchased Boomerang license will have an unlimited flash loan until 3x license purchase price has been achieved. Okay, hi Kumar, good evening. Okay, so introducer kickbacks and checkmarks bonuses are credited to the account on the daily basis. And then, of course, subscribers have the opportunity to receive the Ascension Club rewards from multiple clubs. So, for example, a subscriber has achieved Cardano rank in the club, and then they will receive the club bonus from Cardano, Dodge, Tron, and Shiba as well. And then, of course, Ascension Club rewards will be credited once a month. And then affiliate earnings are subject to 2% admin fee, but we don't have any withdrawal fees. Minimum deposit and minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. Okay. Full income will be calculated based on the total company revenue for the period starting from the first day to the 30th day of each month. And then the maximum earning for all income and bonuses is restricted or capped to 3 times or 3x your subscription amount. Remember how special Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is not included in the 3x copy. So thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate your time in here. My gratitude for sharing and exploring the future with Boomerang. Very, very exciting journey awaits us. Okay. Thank you so much, especially those who are listening on Facebook. Okay, Facebook Live. That's amazing. Thank you. Yeah. If you can let me know where you are listening, at least I can acknowledge you from your country that you are listening right now. Okay, so right now, of course, as promised to you, I will show you a guide, a simple Excel guide, okay, that will help you understand, or that will help you plan your goal if you start trading here with Boomerang. Okay, I called it a number don't lie, and then at least you will be able to know what is possible with Boomerang. So let me stop my sharing, and then of course let me share my screen. Okay. So let's see. Okay, can you see my screen? Anyone? Can you see my Excel sheet?
Yes, bro.
Amazing. Thank you so much, bro. Okay, so to those who are just came in on the Facebook Live, okay, thank you so much for jumping in. This is almost the ending of the presentation, but in this one, you will be able to see, okay, you will be able to see how fast or how quick, okay, we will get our investment or our license back. Okay, so let's do this for a quick one. Okay, if you have any suggestions, you can write in the chat box or in the comment. How much are we wanted to compute? Is it the $500, the $1,000, the 3,000, the 5,000, or the 10,000? Okay. So any suggestion, at least coming out from everyone who are in here? Do you have any suggestions? Okay. So I will consider that as a no suggestion. Okay, 500, said Ma'am Lien. Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Lien. Okay, so let's do the $500 only. Okay, so right now we are just going to compute. Okay, before I do this, I just need to do a disclaimer. Okay, a disclaimer here is because this is not a financial advice. Definitely not a financial advice. Okay, I am not a financial advisor. Of course, this is just only a hypothetical example. This is not guaranteed. Okay, this is not guaranteed. Every number that you will be able to see here are not guaranteed. It will depend on so many aspects. It will depend on so many decision making that you need to do. Okay, so it will depend. But of course, at least it will give you a guide. Okay, it will give you a guide on how are you going to plan your goals, or you're going to plan on how much time you're going to exert, how much effort are you going to put in when doing the trading here with Boomerang. I hope that's clear. This is not also a hype, okay? I'm not going to hype. I'm not trying to show this to convince you. Okay? I'm not convincing anyone here. Just to clarify. I'm not convincing you to do or what you want to do, okay? The decision is always yours. And of course, remember, never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay? At least that is clear. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start with the $500. So once we get the license of $500, what we will be getting is definitely the profit ceiling. Remember, if you see the presentation, we are going to get, this is like a guaranteed profit of $1,500 goes directly to our wallet. That's simple. That's simple. Now, it's very important for us to know, okay? It's very important for us to know how much average trading value is we're going to use. Okay, remember in that video there is $1,000, there's a $500, there's a $100. Okay, let's say in the whole trading that you're going to do, you will average, let's say, $2,000. Okay, let's make it big because you have unlimited flash loan, right? Remember, you have unlimited flash loan to use. So you don't have to worry about the average trading value. But of course, let's just make it an example of a $2,000. Okay. And then, of course, it's really important for you to decide the profit percentage. We don't know how much profit percentage we're going to get in every single trade. So that's important. So let's say, okay, let's make a conservative, very, very conservative profit percentage average, okay, per trade, okay? This is a per trade, okay? So let's say if we're going to get 0.5%. Imagine, okay, if you can remember on the video, it's more than less than 1% on the $1,000. Remember, it's just 0.95. And then when it goes to $500, it goes 1.07. And then when it goes to $100, it goes 1.17. So, okay. So let's say on the $2,000 average, you also get a 0.5%. Okay, 0.5% profit. What will happen? What will happen? So if this is going to be your profit percentage, eventually you will be able to exhaust a worth $300,000 worth of flash loan for you to be able to earn $1,500 profit on your wallet. Okay, on your wallet. So that is why we call it unlimited. Okay. So why I put there at $300,000? Okay, it's not. That will depend on the profit percentage. Because if you get lesser percentage, let's say if you get 0.3, okay, your flash loan will increase to $500,000. Imagine, just by getting 0.3%, you get unlimited flash loan. So that means you have to exhaust $500,000 worth of flash loan for you to be able to earn 1,500. And of course, how many trades are you going to do? So this means if you're going to do 0.3%, then you need to trade 250 times. Okay, that's amazing, right? So in 250 times, okay, you will be able to earn $1,500. The question is how fast you will be able to earn 1,500. How fast? Is it 1 week? 3 weeks? 1 month? Okay, to be able to earn that? Okay, let's do this. Okay. Remember, the three trades that have that was shown you in the video, there are 3 trades that happen. The $1,000, the $500, and the $100. I think that 3 trades happen in less than 2 minutes, and the presenter of that video earned almost $20. But let's say every trade, you're going to do it for 2 minutes. Every trade. It's not the 3 trades that I'm talking about. It's just 1 trade. And you're going to do it for 2 minutes each trade. So that means you're going to do 250 trades every 2 minutes each trade. And now the next one is you're going to do this only for 4 hours a day. Yeah, because you have your work, you have your life, you have your anything that you do in life. So you just have to spend 4 hours in a day. And that's it. How many days are you going to earn this $1,500? That means in just 2 days, okay, you will be able to earn $1,500. Remember, this is on your wallet. So let's make it, let's say, you wanted more, a little bit, let's say, for a lazy type of person, okay? So let's make it, let's say, you do this 5 minutes per trade, and you're going to do this, let's say, 2 hours a day, okay? See, okay? So that's the difference. So that's why I told you this is not guaranteed. This is just a guide, because that will depend on the effort. That will depend on the commitment that you're going to give to trade, okay? So imagine this. 2 hours a day, 5 minutes per trade. You have to, I have to smoke, I have to drink coffee, I have to read magazines before I trade the one trade. Okay? And you're doing just only for 2 hours. Even if it's just going to be like that, in 10 days or in 11 days, you earn $1,500. Isn't it good or is it very good? $1,500 in 11 days. For me, it's amazing. Right? Now, let's say you wanted to do it like 10 minutes, and then you do it 1 hour a day. See, even for a month, you earn 1,500 extra income, okay? Extra income. But I don't think that this will arrive to this kind of a situation if you are going to really put an effort. So let's make it a more realistic one, because definitely you will be able to do that every 2 minutes, and then let's say 2 hours a day. Okay, so this is more realistic. 2 hours a day, 2 minutes per trade. Consistently, no breaks, no anything. Then in 5 days, you get $500. Okay, so that's amazing, right? Then let's compute how much are we going to earn in net profit. Okay, we have to remove all the expenses so that we get our net profit. Okay, the first we have to remove is the license that we used to buy, or to buy the license. That's $500. Put that on your pocket. Okay, bring it back to your pocket, and now you are risk-free because it's already on your pocket. Of course, we have the lender's fee. It was shown earlier on the video also. We have a fixed 0.05% that goes to the lender, okay? And then, of course, we have the platform fee. This is fixed also. This goes to the company. And now we have the MetaMask, okay? Remember, in the MetaMask, there's a transaction fee that was shown only 0.05. Imagine, if we do that is a 0.05 transaction, every transaction of the gas fee that we MetaMask is deducting to us, it is really, really, really small. I just put 0.25 because this is the maximum in my experience. Okay, in my experience. So it just means it's just the $50 difference. But still, imagine if you earn the 612 net profit in 5 days. Okay, in 5 days. That means the next license that you're going to buy is going to be risk-free because you're going to get it from your net profit. The one that is in your pocket is already in your pocket. So you are now risk-free in just 5 days, doing 2 minutes per trade, 2 hours a day. Make sense? Okay? So imagine, let's say this is 5 days, okay? And then you rest for Saturday and Sunday. Let's do the weekdays. Okay, let's pretend that you are working like a normal job. Okay, 5 days you trade for 2 hours a day, 2 minutes, 2 hours a day in 5 days, and then you rest for Saturday and Sunday because it's family time, right? And then how many license you will be able to get in a month? That means you will be able to get at least 4. Right? Am I right? So if you multiply that 4, so 1,500, you're earning just every 5 days, 1,500. That means you are earning $6,000 a month. Gross profit, okay? Gross. $6,000 extra income. Or you can just multiply this 600 times 4. It's so simple. You rested for 7 days, you rested for Saturday and Sunday or for the weekend. Okay? Extra $6,000, what would it do for you? For your lifestyle, for your dreams? Can you buy what? Anything. So basically, that's how fast you will be able to get. Remember, we are just computing only 0.3%. How much if we are, let's say, go to 0.7%? Look at that. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers that have changed. Imagine the numbers of that days that you will be able to do that. It's just gone down to just 2 days, not 5 days. And what if you are earning 1%? Look at the changes. Look at the probability. Look at the possibility. These are all possibilities. Okay. So I hope this is clear with you. Okay. I hope you understand well. But if you have questions, of course, I'm really happy to answer all those questions. Okay. But this is just a hypothetical example that I can give to you. Okay. If you want to learn more, you have your questions, write it down, or you can do it right now. So, okay. So we will do the question and answer. Okay. We can do our question and answer in our language. Of course, to those who are listening in Facebook, hi, Selisa, thank you for suggesting. Okay. you're listening on Facebook, bear with us if I'm answering the questions that is for those who are in present here in Zoom, okay? Because we'll answer that in our language. But of course, if you write down your question in your comment in the comment section, I will make sure to answer your question also. Okay, I will answer your question, all your questions in English. So okay, so let's do the question and answer now. So thank you so much for listening. Again, I really appreciate your time, and let's do it. Okay, so the floor is open for question and answer. Any question? Yeah. Okay, let's answer the first question here in the chat box. It's been a while here. Okay, so the question, kailan po ba talaga ang live trading, sir? Baka mamaya tuluyang ma-scam na tayo, lalo na sa record ng scam yang Shamli. Okay, Shamli, sa siyang may hawak dati dito. Nagtatanong lang po. Okay, for this question, no, I will give you the link. Okay, give me a second. I will give you the link that we are not affiliated to this Shamli that he is talking. Okay, so give me a second. I will just do this. Okay. Give me a, okay. Was that network plug in? Okay. So here is the link that you will be able to see the legal disclaimer that we have. Okay, so I'll put it in our chat box. So chat box. Okay, you can visit that link. Okay, to prove to you that I don't know if his Speedfire is here. Oh, I think he's not already. Okay, click that link. Read that disclaimer that we have. That okay. He is talking about Samly. I know. I don't know who is Speedfire, but he is talking about Samly, a former partner of Chavez. Okay? Former. Okay? Matagal na po tayong hindi connected sa kanya. Okay? So that is the legal disclaimer that we have. Okay? You can read that. You can share that to anyone. Okay? So you're, okay? Yes. So, yeah. And then, of course, oh, sorry, Ma'am Mary Grace, I just saw your request of $1,000, so I just already. But if you want to, I can discuss the $1,000 if you wanted to. Do you want me to do the $1,000 for you? Okay, so I think, yeah, let me know, Ma'am Mary Grace, if you want me to do that. Of course, I'll be happy to discuss to you with that. Okay, but yeah, let's answer more questions with them. Okay, you want me to do that? Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's give Ma'am Mary Grace. Let me share you my screen. Okay, share screen. Okay, so share. So here's my Grace. Okay, let's do. Okay, to those who are listening on Facebook, let's do $1,000 license. Okay, so in this scenario, we will just do the license change. We will not do anything. Okay, look at what's going to happen. We buy $1,000 license. So can you see the difference? Okay, that's really amazing. Just simple. Earning 1% per trade, averaging $2,000, we're going to exhaust just $300,000 worth of flash loan and doing only 150 trades. And then 2 minutes per trade, 2 hours a day. That means in 2.5 days, we will be able to exhaust the $300,000 or the 150 trades. And then we will be able to earn $3,000. That is amazing, right? And then, of course, if you compute the net profit, look at this. Look at the net profit. Imagine the net profit. You are risk-free after 2.5 days. Risk-free because why? This will be already on your pocket. And then the next license that you're going to buy is from your net profit. Okay? That's the only thing that we have to remember. So imagine, just these expenses are all fixed. You don't have to worry about that because Boomerang has already computed that for us. Of course, gas fee, this is out of our pocket. Of course, this is that depends on the network that we have. But of course, it's just very, very minimal for us. If you can see that, $37 for 25 cents per trade. So I hope this makes sense. Is that this makes sense to you, Ma'am Mary Grace? let's say let's make it lesser. Let's make it 0.5. Okay, let's make this more conservative. Okay, let's make this more conservative. So let's say it's 0.5. So imagine now there's a slight difference in the net profit, but still, right? You will be able to earn this just doing. Remember, if you are an OFW or you are working abroad, then of course the time is very limited. That's why this example is really, really amazing. Before you sleep, after waking up, I think you will be able to spend an hour for that, and then an hour for the next before you sleep, and then if you're waking up, it's really amazing. Then just doing it 2 minutes a day, 2 minutes per trade. So imagine that. So in 5 days, see, this is a good example also. 5 days. Okay, 5 days just doing this because you are getting small profit percentage, just a small profit percentage. Okay, so that is really an amazing one. So that's how it is. That's how easy it is to earn with Boomerang. Simply, I just changed couple of numbers. It's just the license and just the profit percentage that we changed. The rest is the same, but look at the numbers that has changed. That is really amazing, Ma'am Mary Grace. Okay, so Sergio, okay, you requested $10,000. Okay, let's do $10,000. Why not? It's all possible. Okay, so this is the this is a little bigger. Okay, so $10,000. This is what's going to happen. Okay, now, okay, $10,000. This is too much because we have to spend $6 million worth of flash loan. Imagine $6 million worth of flash loan. That is possible if we are going to do that. Okay, but let's say, of course, this is kind of very big. So let's say that the average trading value that we do here is just $5,000. Okay, so still the same. Okay, but it's a lesser number of trades. You can see the profit percentage here. In 20 days, you are able to earn $30,000 just by earning 0.5% profit percentage, which is really amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. 1 minute per trade. Okay, let's do 1 minute per trade as requested again. Okay, 1 minute per trade. So we are going to do this in 10 days. We are earning $30,000 gross profit. If you do it 1 minute per trade, 2 hours a day. That makes sense, right? So that means in 10 days, you are going to buy 3 times of the 10,000. So 3 times of the 10,000, that is $90,000 gross profit. Very simple. 10, of course, 3 times 3 is 90. So $90,000 earning. Okay. Again, this is not fixed. This is not guaranteed. This is not a hype. This is just a number. If you are good in Excel sheet and then you saw that I am doing this wrong, please let me know and I will be stand to be corrected on this one because I wanted to share everything that is also right. This is what I know and this is what I believe it's correct. But for now, if you can share to me that this is wrong, this part is wrong, then I will be gladly accepting your suggestion. Okay, that makes sense? Okay. So let me stop my sharing. I hope I make Ma'am Mary Grace smile with the $1,000, of course. Can we keep buying package? That's a very good question on Mary Grace. No, we can buy package anytime. Even let's say you buy $1,000 today, and then you just traded twice, and then you wanted to buy again, you can. Or even if you haven't started trading yet, you can buy. Or even if you're almost run out of whatever the situation is, you can buy the license. That is it. So that's amazing, right? Yeah. So yeah, I see the smile of Mary Grace, a dollar smile. Amazing. Okay, so yeah, any more question to those who are listening on Facebook? Do you have any question? Do you have any clarifications that you wanted me to answer it for you? Please type it on the chat box, and then I will be gladly to answer everything. So to those who are here in Zoom, any more question, please? You can unmute. I wanted to hear voices. It's not just me that's speaking. Okay, so I already asked a permission to those who are listening in Facebook, so we can speak Tagalog. Okay. So sige po, you can unmute para makapagtanong. Anyone, any question? Yeah. Are we allowed to manage the account of our family? Yes, ma'am. You are allowed because you are the one in control of your wallet. So if you want to create wallet for them, of course, you will be having access to their wallets. So that's very important. But of course, just have to make sure about the security of our wallets. There are security codes, security phrases, and private keys that you have to keep for you to be able to keep that wallet safe. Okay, because sometimes we give it to someone, and then if we gave it to someone that we don't know, or the strangers, or even if we know the person and they might not know how to access your accounts, then the potential of losing all your assets is really high. So that's actually the thing. But of course, family, of course, we can do that. That makes sense, ma'am? You're welcome. So 10 days, 90K for $10,000 license. No, sir. In that example, Sergio, 10 days you will exhaust or you will earn $30,000. And then, of course, in a month, you will be able to buy 3 licenses. That means if you buy 3 licenses, that means it's $90,000 you earn in a month. Yun. Okay po. So any more question po? Any more question? Yun. Ask ko lang po, Coach. Continue pa rin natin test ng bot kahit hindi nagre-reply yung pairs. That's a very good question. Sir Coach Pelpol, no? Yes. Kahit po walang lumalabas na pair, ang importante po kasi doon, the script behind the system is running. Yung script po kasi yung importante na nagra-run po yun sa testing natin. So even if hindi nagre-reflect yung mga pairs, that means hindi na po ibig sabihin hindi nagra-run yung script natin sa testing natin. So it's really important pa rin po na mag-test tayo. Hindi nyo naman po kailangang tutukan, no? Hindi naman po nyo kailangan gawin nyo after 5 minutes, so balikan nyo ulit after 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 minutes ulit. Ganun lang po, at least meron lang po siyang nare-recognize yung system natin. Alam naman natin na we are thousands and thousands are testing. So makikita naman natin na, but at least we are able to help. Okay? Maganda rin yung naitutulong na natin sa system, natutulungan din natin yung system to start learning, yung AI, especially yung AI. Malaking bagay na natutulungan natin yung AI. So yun. So Bryan Adams, napakagaling na singer niyan, sir. Kaya si Bryan Adams. Okay, so any more questions, especially on Facebook Live, please, if you have questions, let me know. Okay, you will be able to watch the replay of this on our page. Okay, you will be able to see this on our page. If you haven't liked the page yet, please like the page so that you will be able to follow and get more value, get the replays of our Zoom, so that you'll be able to understand what this amazing opportunity is and how it's going to help us at least. Okay, so thank you so much. So any more question? So far so good. Thank you, sir. Okay, Matic pa rin, Coach, ang test namin. Yes, let's continue testing Matic until they announce that we can do the next token. So for now, Matic is the only token in the instruction. So I will announce, okay, if I got an update that we can change, we can use another token, then I will announce it in our groups. Perfect. So any more questions? Any more? Okay. So
Thank you, Coach.
go ahead. You're welcome. So on our live, okay, I don't think they have questions. They are not writing in the comments. So, okay, any question pa po before we go? So I think if we don't have question, we can call this a day. So welcome, Bro Johnny. Welcome, Ma'am Glory. So yung mga late na nakita ko, Ma'am Lien, of course. Ma'am Jacqueline, yes, Sir Francisco, Sir Jerome. So yun yung mga na hindi ko na acknowledge kanina. Of course, on Facebook, of course, Selisa, yes, thank you so much. Kumar, thank you for your comments, both of you. To those who are listening, you did not comment, but okay, I really appreciate your time. Okay, so any more for the last time? Any more question? You're welcome, Ma'am Grace. Okay. So if we don't have any more question, I think we can call this a day. Oh, may copying ba? Well, okay, bro. Good luck and enjoy the heat in the Philippines. Thank you so much for your time. You still managed to jump on the Zoom. Thank you, bro. Okay, have a safe flight. Have a safe flight. Balitaan mo na lang kami kung anong meron sa Pilipinas ngayon. Namimiss na.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, everyone. God bless.
God bless, bro. Okay. So yun, okay. So any more question pa po? Any more? Okay. So if we don't have any more questions, okay. So I really appreciate your time. I will not mention you, each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we will be going to have our Zoom again. Invite your friends and families here. This is really an amazing opportunity. Okay. So see you tomorrow, same time, same channel, same screen that we have right now. If you switch phone, of course, that's a different screen. Okay. So yes. So thank you so much. I really appreciate. You have all a great weekend. Okay. Start na ng weekend sa Pilipinas. So that's really amazing. So thank you so much. I see you again tomorrow. Dun po sa mga nasa ibang bansa like in America and Canada, mag-start pa lang on Friday. So yun, have a good day, have a good one. Thank you so much. And yeah, God bless all. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thanks. You're welcome, Sergio. Okay, thank you po. Okay, so I'll turn off na po ito, no? Okay, so thank you so much na po. Bye-bye po, everyone. Bye-bye.